Everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to delete your data on Viber. Let's say for personal reasons you want to have your data deleted from Viber. How do you do it? It's quite simple. Open up your Viber app, tap on the more icon, tap on the settings icon, and then tap on privacy. Then scroll down, you see personal data, tap on it, and you can see request your data. And delete your data, just simply tap on delete your data. Now you are in complete control of your personal data and you can delete it from Viber server at any time. Your call and chat history will not be deleted and you will be able to continue using the app. But note that once your data is deleted, a confirmation message will be sent to your device. Please note that deleted data cannot be restored. If you want to learn more about deletion, tap on this highlighted version in blue. And if you want to confirm your delete, tap on the red one which says delete data. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.